Hello, my name is Hitesh Koikar. I am from Dhule. Recently, I was completed my 15 days of Elements Desktop Support training program in Evision Technoserve, and it was a very valuable experience. The course was very well structured and cover all the important topics like networking, Windows installations, Linux, cyber security, and more. Each module was explained simple and practical way to making it easily to understand for the beginners. The recorded session is so useful as I could watch them my own space and the revise whenever I needed. The trainer were acknowledgeable and explain every concept with the real time example. It feels like a perfect balance between the theory and practical exposure. I have recently joined the prestigious company and the package of 2.5 LPA. This all could be possible because of Vision Technosoft. Thank you.